What happens when one of the most passionate Italian brands takes its boldest SUV and infuses it with futuristic hybrid technology? You get this. The 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Hybrid, a machine that looks like it was sculpted by the wind and engineered with the heart of a racer. Today, we're breaking down every curve, every detail, and every innovation in this stunning SUV. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share this video with every car enthusiast you know. Trust me, this is one review you won't want to miss. The face of the 2026 Stelvio Hybrid is pure Alfa Romeo, minimalist yet aggressive. The traditional shield-like Scudetto grille has evolved into a wide, darkened diamond mesh intake with the Alfa Romeo script glowing proudly across the center. It's no longer just a badge, it's a statement. Flanking the grille are razor-thin LED headlights, forming a single continuous blade of light across the fascia. This isn't just lighting, it's digital jewelry. The hood flows with crisp double creases, catching the light like sinews of a well-trained athlete. Lower down, sculpted aerodynamic intakes and a glossy black splitter not only ground the SUV, but also announce its performance-focused intent. This is not just another luxury SUV, it's a futuristic fighter jet for the road. From the side, the Stelvio Hybrid takes on a coupe SUV silhouette that screams elegance and muscle at the same time. The flowing roofline arcs gracefully into a fastback rear, while the sculpted doors feature muscular waves that almost look liquid, shimmering under the candy red metallic paint. Matte black forged alloy wheels, deep concave in shape, sit at each corner wrapped in low-profile performance tires. Their sharp-edged design mirrors the aggression of the bodywork. The black cladding around the wheel, arches, and rocker panels gives it a hint of rugged SUV readiness, while the flush-mounted door handles keep the side profile sleek and aerodynamic. This side view tells you everything. You're looking at a machine that blends Italian artistry with modern engineering precision. The rear of the Stelvio Hybrid is a masterclass in minimalist futurism. A razor-thin LED light bar stretches the entire width, glowing in a vibrant red gradient before blending seamlessly into the bodywork. At the center, the illuminated Alfa Romeo lettering glows proudly, replacing the traditional emblem for a more futuristic identity. Down below, the rear bumper houses a glossy black aerodynamic diffuser, sharply creased with performance fins. 4 polished exhaust outlets, 2 on each side, punctuate the design, reminding you that while this Stelvio is a hybrid, it's still very much alive with Alfa's signature performance DNA. The entire rear stance is wide, muscular, and purposeful, like a predator ready to pounce. Under the hood, the 2026 Stelvio Hybrid blends electrification with Alfa's racing heritage. Expect a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an advanced hybrid system pushing combined power figures well above 350 horsepower. The instant torque from the electric motor eliminates turbo lag, while a lightweight battery pack ensures improved efficiency without sacrificing agility. Alfa Romeo engineers have fine-tuned the chassis to deliver razor-sharp handling, with torque vectoring all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension that keeps it glued to the road. 0 to 60? Likely under 5 seconds, putting it right in the crosshairs of German rivals like the BMW X4 M40i and Mercedes GLC Coupe AMG line. But unlike those, this SUV has the soul of Italy coursing through its veins. Step inside, and the cabin is a theater of dark sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit is lined in black leather with deep red accents, stitching, and ambient lighting that runs seamlessly across the dashboard and doors. The steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather, proudly bears the Alfa Romeo script at its center, while behind it sits a fully digital curved driver's display. The center screen stretches wide across the dash, displaying futuristic 3D animations of the car itself, performance readouts, and navigation rendered in ultra-high resolution. The center console is clean, minimalist, and high-tech, with touch-sensitive controls and a sleek gear selector finished in brushed metal. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The seats are deeply bolstered, combining racing inspiration with long-distance luxury. Passengers in the rear are treated to generous space thanks to the sloping roofline that doesn't compromise too much practicality, making this not only a driver's SUV, but also one that works for families with taste. The 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Hybrid is more than just a new chapter for Alfa Romeo. It's a bold leap into the future. It merges Italian passion, razor-sharp design, hybrid performance, and futuristic technology into one breathtaking package. So, is this the SUV that finally puts Alfa Romeo back at the top of the luxury performance game? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more deep dive reviews of the hottest upcoming cars of 2026. This is not just the Stelvio Hybrid. It's the rebirth of the Alfa Romeo spirit.